Like I want a man like जो हमको जज ना करे, supporting हो.
नों माबादि सेंग्राखौ मोजां मोनो?
I don't know how to answer those type of questions.
Like I want a man like जो हमको जज ना करे, supporting हो, or like obviously he should care for us और क्या बोलेगा? Dominating तो बिल्कुल भी ना हो.
अगर मतलब मेन बात ना, अगर एक लड़का और एक लड़की रिलेशनशिप में हो तो मगर मतलब लड़की भी टाइम देना चाहिए और लड़का भी टाइम देना चाहिए. एंड द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट मतलब धोखा नहीं देना चाहिए एक दूसरे को.
He should be caring and he should not dominate me and my way of wearing and all, my dress up. He should not say about क्या पहना है and all. Then तो कोई भी नहीं चलेगा and he should respect a woman plus my family. Like every woman. He should only this one only. Not more than this. Only this much.
और बोलेगा कि he should be my type. I'm just a he, obviously, and he should be dancer first of all, so that he can entertain me, cause I love dancing.
Yeah, handsome guys. And I don't know, just good guys.
Just a tall guy and good guy.
Only tall guy. Good.
It's okay, that's it.
Thank you very much.
For me, men should be those who can give a time to